Today we are discussing the CCNA-based interview questions and answers for Cisco Enterprise Advanced Routing and Services 30410. You can download the complete list of CCNA-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on Enterprise Advanced Routing and Services is: what are some common techniques for optimizing routing convergence in large-scale networks? Your answer should be: some common techniques for optimizing routing convergence in large-scale networks include: first point is implementing route summarization and hierarchy in routing designs. Next point is using fast convergence protocols such as BFD, that is bidirectional forwarding detection. Next point is reducing the network's dependency on a single routing protocol by deploying multiple routing protocols or protocol independent convergence mechanisms. Next point is utilizing features like equal cost multipath, ECMP, and link aggregation to provide redundancy and load balancing. Our next interview question is: how does quality of service QoS relate to routing, and what are some QoS mechanisms commonly used in enterprise networks? Your answer should be: quality of service QoS refers to the ability of a network to prioritize certain types of traffic over others to ensure reliable and predictable performance. QoS mechanisms are often applied at the network layer, that is, layer 3, to manage and prioritize traffic based on criteria such as IP precedence, DSCP, that is, differentiated services code point, and traffic classification. Common QoS mechanisms used in enterprise networks include traffic shaping, policing, queuing, for example, FIFO, WFQ, CBWFQ, and congestion avoidance techniques like WRED, weighted random early detection. Our next interview question is: describe the concept of route redistribution in routing configurations and its implication for network design. Your answer should be: route redistribution is the process of exchanging routing information between different routing protocols or domains. It involves importing routes learned from one routing protocol into another protocol's routing table and vice versa. Route redistribution is often used in complex network design where multiple routing protocols coexist, or when integrating networks with different routing domains, for example, OSPF and BGP. Careful planning and filtering are essential to avoid routing loops, suboptimal routing, and instability when implementing route redistribution. Our next interview question is: what are the key features and advantages of the Enhanced Interior Gateway Routing Protocol EIGRP compared to other routing protocols? Your answer should be Enhanced Interior Gateway Routing Protocol (EIGRP) is an advanced distance vector routing protocol developed by Cisco. Key features and advantages of EIGRP includes: First point, fast convergence. EIGRP uses diffusing update algorithm dual to quickly converge in response to topology changes. Next point is low overhead. EIGRP sends partial updates only when there are changes to the network topology, reducing bandwidth uses. Next point is support for multiple network layer protocols. EIGRP supports IPv4, IPv6, IPX, and AppleTalk. Next point is scalability. EIGRP supports hierarchical network design and route summarization to scale to large networks. Next point is route summarization and automatic summarization. EIGRP allows for the summarizations of routes at network boundaries, reducing the size of routing tables. If you are preparing for any Cisco-based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.